Hola, children. Hola, Roberto. Make sure you hit the like button. Hola, Yesel. Don't laugh at me. I need a haircut, okay? I heard the barbershop's opening back up Friday, so I'm going to be there quick. Hola, Natalie. Hola, Amy. All right. Make sure y'all hit the like button, all right? And excuse your teacher. I got to shave. I can't wait till the barbershop open back up. All right. What's up, Bree? I'm good, Natalie. I'm working on my YouTube channel. So if you go back, the cover of the videos, they look different now. I'm doing the thumbnails on my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to make my channel better. Working with the hashtags and all of that. So I'm just trying to get better for y'all. What's up, Mariah? All right, we on page 60, all right? I'm doing Rich Dad Poor Dad chapter 3 tomorrow. So it'll be up by the weekend too. So I've just been working, man. Working on this YouTube. Miss Lino, did you get the link that I sent you yesterday for the Zoom? I emailed it to you. You got it? Cause I was trying to get you on the Zoom conference. What's up, Eliana? How's everything going? All right, today gonna be cool. Today we're only gonna do 3 problems, and I got all 3 of them on the board. So if you look at page 60, it's gonna be 3 problems. All right, we're gonna be multiplying fractions. What's up, Jacqueline? Natalie, I'm good. I feel good. I did have this old lady at my church. She died, and she was real close to me. She kind of reminded me of my grandmother. But other than that, I'm good. I'm kind of sad about that. But I gotta help her family out. I gotta help them pay for her funeral. So I'm gonna give their family some money to pay for her funeral. But other than that, I'm good, man. I'm blessed. I can't complain. What's up, Wanda? Andrea Cesar. All right. Again, we're on page 60. All right. All right. We're on page 60. I'm gonna do number 1, 2, and 3. All right. It's real easy. It's multiplying fractions. All right. And then after I do them 3, I'm gonna show you how it looks in 6th grade. All right. Mariah, you ain't got no chicken today. You ain't Gabby ain't eat no chicken today. All right. All right. Let's get started. This is page 60. All right. The I do is number 1. The we do is number 2. And the you do is number 3. All right. All right. So if you look at number 1, let me zoom in a little bit. If you look at number 1, Corey has the marbles shown below. All right. So Corey had a whole bunch of marbles. And it says if Corey gives 1/3 of the marbles to his brother, then how many marbles will Corey have left? Right? So the first thing I need to do is figure out how many marbles did Corey have, right? So if you count the marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. So Corey had 15 marbles. All right. Now, Corey and his brother cool, right? They might have bunk beds, all right? They might sleep in the same room. You know, they might be chilling. So he gonna give his brother some marbles, right? So he gives his brother 1/3 of the marbles, right? So if he has 15 marbles, then that means he's giving his brother 1/3 of 15 marbles. So that is 1/3 of 15, which means I have to multiply 1/3 times 15, right? And that'll tell me how many he gave his brothers. Then once I find that, then I can see how many marbles does Corey have left, right? Now, when you are multiplying fractions, the answer will always be less than the whole number, right? See, if you look at the answer choices, you have A, which is 3, B, which is 5, C, which is 10, and D, which is 15. I know the answer is not D, because if he only had 15 marbles, he didn't give his brother all 15 of them, because it would, or he wouldn't have 15 left. I'm sorry, he wouldn't have 15 left because he gave some to his brother. So I know D is wrong, right? So I know D can't be the right answer because it's saying how many he has left, right? So what I want to do is figure out how many he gave to his brother. Then I'm gonna subtract that from 15, and it'll tell me how many Corey had left, right? But like I was saying, when I'm multiplying 15 times a fraction, right? Well, if you know 15 times 1 whole is 15. So since I'm multiplying 15 times 1/3, which is less than 1, because 3/3 is 1. So 15 times 1/3 has to be less than 15 times 1. And if 15 times 1 is 15, then that means 15 times 1/3 has to be less than 15. So I know the answer is not D. It's either A, B, or C. All right. Now, to find the exact answer, you're going to do what I told you to do in the anchor chart. If you have your journal and you look at multiplying fractions anchor chart, I told you, turn the whole number into a fraction, right? And you do that by putting 1 under the whole number, right? Now, 15 over 1 is the same thing as 15. This is just the fraction version of it, right? Now, step 2, after I turned it into a fraction, I just multiply straight across. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, all right? 1 times 15 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3. All right. So now I have 15 over 3. Now I reduce, right? So I want you to remember, fractions are division problems. So to reduce it, I have to divide. I divide the numerator by the denominator. 15 divided by 3 is 5, right? How many groups of 3 can I get out of 15? 5. It makes sense, right? Now, Mariah, you're confusing division. You got 45 because you multiplied 15 times 3. You flipped the 15. You don't flip on multiplying fractions. You flip on dividing fractions, right? Don't be confused, okay? Now, all of you are saying B. And guess what? All of you are wrong. Bang, 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 bang. This is the step 1 sniper. 5 is the step 1 sniper. 5 is how many he gave to his brother. He gave his brother 5. But I want to know, how many marbles does Corey have left? If he had 15 marbles and he gave his brother 5, that means Corey has 10 marbles left. A lot of y'all that was telling me B or telling me 5, you got hit by the step 1 sniper. I don't want to know how many he gave to his brother. I want to know how many he has left. He has 10 marbles left. Right? So the answer is C. All right. Any questions about number 1? Y'all better wake up in online school. Right? Any questions, you can type it in. Escribe tu pregunta. Okay. No preguntas. All right. Número 2. Natalie, when we're done, we could talk about Mother's Day and other things like that. Okay. Let me finish up the lesson for today. Then we could talk about those other things. Okay. All right. Cesar with the Wakanda symbol. Right. All right. Número 2. All right. Número 2 is the we do problem. All right. Now, what I did was I drew the number line so I can help you do the number line. We're going to do it in standard, and I'm going to show you the answer on the number line. All right. Now, number 2. Megan buys 1 carton of milk each day. We're talking about Megan Thee Stallion, right? Megan Thee Stallion buys 1 carton of milk each day at lunch. You know, Megan Thee Stallion still go to Texas Southern University. She's still in college, right? So Megan buys 1 carton of milk each day at lunch. However, she only drinks 3/4 cartons of milk. Which number line shows how much milk? I'm sorry, the number line below shows how much milk she drinks each day. So if you look at 1 carton of milk that she buys each day, she only drunk 3/4 of it, right? Because if this is 0 and this is 1, and there's 4 pieces in between, then they must be fourths. And she's on 1, 2, 3. She's on 3/4. So that means that 1 carton of milk, she drunk 3/4. Right? Now, how many full cartons of milk does Megan drink for lunch in 5 days? Right? Now, you ask yourself, did Megan drink a full carton of milk each day? Did she drink 1 whole carton of milk each day? The answer is no. So what that tell me is there's no way the answer is D. Because if she drank 1 whole carton of milk for 5 days, then the answer would be D, which is 5. But she didn't drink 1 whole carton of milk each day. She only drank 3/4 carton of milk each day. So what you're trying to find now is 3/4 of 5, which means 3/4 times 5. You're trying to find what is 3/4 of 5, right? Now, the same thing is 3/4 of 5 is the same thing as multiplying 3/4 times 5, right? Now, 3/4 times 5. Step number 1, turn the 5 into a fraction by putting a 1 under it. Step number 2, multiply across. 3 times 5 is 15. And at the bottom, 4 times 1 is 4. You look, you say, Mr. Tram, I got 15 over 4, but I don't see none of these answers. You're not going to see them because they're not reduced. So what I want you to do is think, how many groups of 4 can I get out of 15? Can I get 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, or 4 groups of 4? Well, 4 groups of 4 is 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. So you know the answer is not C. 3 groups of 4 is 12, and 2 groups of 4 is only 8. So you can get 3 groups of 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. And if 3 times 4 is 12, you should have 3 more left over, because you have 15 fours. That means 3 groups, which is 12, plus 3 more. The answer is 3 and 3/4, which is B. Right? Or you can do 4/4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So that's 3 whole groups. And then once you got to 12/4, if you put 3 more 4s with it, that's how you got 15/4. Right? Now, let me show you how to do it on the number line. She had 1 carton of milk each day. So every day she's going to jump 3/4. So day 1 on the first carton, she did 1, 2, 3. Right? Now, day 2, she's going to jump 3 more 4s. 1, 2, 3. Day 3, she's going to jump 3/4 again, because it says each day she only jumped 3/4. 1, 2, 3. All right. Again, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and she got 1 more day. 1, 2, 3. Again, every day she jumped 3/4. Right? So instead of 1 carton, this should be day 1. Right? Every day she jumped 3/4. So from 0, 1, 2, 3/4. That's day 1. Then from here, 1, 2, 3/4. That's day 2. 1, 2, 3/4. That's day 3. 1, 2, 3/4. That's day 4. And 1, 2, 3/4. That's day 5. So it wants to know how many full cartons of milk does Megan drink for lunch in 5 days. Well, look at where it stops. 3 wholes and 1, 2, 3/4. This is the same thing. Right? Preguntas de número 2. Any questions about number 2? No? Make sure y'all hit the like button up there. Your teacher over here working hard, okay? Make sure you hit the like button. All right. So number 3, the last one. Let's talk about Nathan. All right, or Nate Dogg, like I like to call him. Number 3, talking about Nate Dogg, right? It would have been the you do problem, but this is page 60, number 3. All right. So what I did was I did the bars just like it was on your question. All right. Nathan runs 2/3 mile each and every day for 4 days. All right. The shaded portion of the model below represents the distance Nathan ran during those 4 days. All right. So what I did was this is day 1, this is day 2, this is day 3, this is day 4. All right. And he ran 2/3 miles every day. So you're going to see 2/3 in day 1, 2/3 in day 2, 2/3 in day 3, 2/3 in day 4. All right. Now, what it wants to know is how many total miles did Nathan run? Right? Basically, it wants you to combine the miles together. Now, did Nathan run a whole mile each day? No. Natalie says no, right? So, if Nathan did not run a whole mile each day, then that means he ran less than 4 miles. Because if he ran 1 mile a day, 1 whole mile a day, and for 4 days, that would be 1 times 4, which is 4 miles. But since he didn't even run a whole mile, then that means the answer has to be less than 4, which means D as in dog, that's gone. D is gone. All right. Now, in class, I told you that multiplication is repeated addition. So you can repeatedly add 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3, right? Or you can do 2/3 times however many times you see it. 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. So that's 2/3 times 4. All right. Now, I'm going to do it the standard way, and then I'm going to do it the pictorial way. All right. So the standard way says 2/3 times 4. Because I see 2/3 4 times. Now, step 1, turn the whole number into a fraction. I just put a 1 under the 4. Step 2, I multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. All right. So you have 8 over 3. Now, step 3 is to reduce 8 over 3. All right. So you ask yourself, how many groups of 3 can you get out of 8? All right. Or what's 3 divided divided into 8? All right. Well, 3 over 3 is 1, plus another 3 over 3, that's 6 over 3, which is 2. And from 6 over 3 to 8 over 3, that's another 2/3. So 8 over 3 is the same thing as 3 over 3 plus 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3. All right, 3 over 3 is 1 plus another 1 plus 2/3. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2/3. The answer is 2 and 2/3. Right? which means the answer is C. It's not B, it's C, Jacayla. All right. Now, again, if I got 8/3, I have an improper fraction. An improper fraction means the numerator is bigger than the denominator, which means there are some whole numbers inside that numerator. Your job is to pull out them whole numbers. So when I had 8/3 right here, I know 3/3 is a whole. So 3/3 plus 3/3, that's 6/3, plus 2 more, that's 8/3. So I got 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 2/3. Well, them 3/3 is one whole. So that's 1 plus another 2/3. That's how I got 2 2/3. That's how I got the answer. All right. This is the standard way. Now, the picture way is easy. Right now, I got the groups separated. But multiplying is combining the groups together. So all I got to do is combine the shaded pictures together, and you're going to see the answer. So in class, I told you how to do it. I say erase one from the end and then shade it on the left. So if I erase one from here, I can put it right here. All right. And if I erase this one from here, I can put it right here. And now I can see the answers. I can see 2 holes, that's 1 hole, plus another hole, that's 2 holes, and I can see 2/3. And on this last block is empty. All I did was move the thirds from over here and combine them with the other groups, because multiplication is combining groups together. So once I put them together, you can clearly see the answer. 1, 2, and 2/3. All right. Any questions, estudiantes? All right, no questions? Good. Okay, cool. We're gonna do another Zoom meeting Friday, okay? Friday after we get off the live stream on Friday, we'll do another Zoom meeting. Okay? Make sure you tell your friends to download Zoom. And when I send you the link to Zoom, you can copy it and send it to your friends, because that's how Gabby and Mariah was letting Jacayla in. Right? So you can, once I send the link out, you could copy it and send it to your friends, but they gotta download the Zoom app. So if you know you talking to these people and you know they ain't been talking to Mr. Traham, then tell them, hey, download the Zoom app, because Mr. Traham is doing our graduation. All right. Now, for those of you who have been asking, graduation is May 29th at 12 noon. All right. May 29th at 12 noon is graduation. All right. You would have graduated on May 29th anyway. That would have been your regular graduation. But instead of having it at Lewis, we just gonna have it on Zoom. All right. Now, Jacayla and everybody else who's saying, Mr. Traham, I'm trying to get them on Zoom. Listen, Don't try too hard, boo-boo. Ask them once or twice, and if they don't want to get on it, they gonna miss graduation. All right? Don't worry about it. All right? This is something extra that I'm trying to do. I do not have to do this for you. Nobody else is going to do this for you. All right? Nobody else going to do this for you. I'm just trying to look out for y'all because I know, man, it's kind of sad that y'all don't have no graduation. It's kind of messed up. Right? So I'm going to do the best I can. I'm going to get Alexa to play some music. All right? And I'm gonna give you a little graduation speech, or it's gonna be like a graduation. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to make y'all feel good. All right. All right. Any questions? All right. If there's nothing else, I will see y'all tomorrow at 12. Okay. I'm gonna go work. I'm gonna go work on my YouTube channel. All right. Y'all can go back and look at my videos. I'm putting thumbnails on my videos. I'm adding captions. I'm doing all of that crazy stuff. So I'm going back and try to tweak my videos, make them a little bit better. All right. Love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.